Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 66. Here's the last name up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number on the box, NE189519-244. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Let's hope for a big hit. We have a base card of Thomas Vanek for the Sabres, 365 out of 399. We have autographed Ultimate Rookies for the Rangers of Tim Erickson, 283 out of 299. And we have an Ultimate Signatures card for the Leafs of Matt Fratton. And to finish it off, we have an Ultimate Rookie patch card, dual patch card, both two colors, of Cody Hodgson for the Canucks. 45 out of 65. That card goes to Vancouver. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.